Starting a business in China is an exciting adventure. But before your expatriate employees can join you on this journey, there is an essential roadmap to follow. Secure their work visas. This guide isn't just about ticking off boxes. It's about empowering you with practical insights and ensure a smooth transition into China's vibrant professional landscape. Picture this. You are the captain of a ship, steering your business into the bustling ports of China. But before you dock, you need the right paperwork to clear customs. Here is the essential checklist to make sure your crew, your expatriate employees are all set. The company's business license. Think of this as your ship's registration. It's proof that your business is legally anchored in China. Make sure you have a crisp copy ready. Job offer letter. This isn't just a piece of paper. It's your promise. It outlines the journey you are inviting your employees on, detailing their roles and responsibilities. Make it as compelling as the opportunities you are offering. Employment contract. Every great voyage needs a map. Your employment contract is that map, laying out the course your employees will follow, all in line with Chinese labor laws. Qualification certificates. Credentials are your crew's compass. These certificates prove that your team is qualified and ready to navigate the challenges ahead. Have clear copies for every crew member. Passport and photos. A passport is your employee's ticket to the journey, but make sure it's valid for at least 6 months. And don't forget the passport-sized photos. Think of them as the crew's ID badges. Health examination results. Before setting sail, it's crucial to ensure your crew is in shipshape. Facilitate their health checks at accredited hospitals, ensuring everyone is fit for the voyage. Starting the course. In-depth application procedures. Work permit application initiation. Every journey begins with the first step, heading to your local Human Resource and Social Security Bureau to kickstart the process. Summation of the documents now. It's time to present your ship's papers, submitting your meticulously prepared documents, including the business license, employment contracts, to get the green light. Work permit approval. Patience is key here. While the approval process may vary depending on your location, rest assured, your ship will soon be ready to sail. Notification of foreigner's work permit. Once approved, you will receive this notification, a signal that you are on the course and everything is shipshape. Health examination. Get your crew through the health examination process, ensuring they are ready to embark on this new adventure. Visa application. Apply for the work visa, also known as the Z visa, at the Chinese embassy or consulate. This is your crew's boarding pass to enter China. Arrival in China. Once the work visa is guaranteed, your employees are ready to dock in China's vibrant ports and begin their journey. Residence permit application. Within 30 days of arrival, it's time to secure residence permit, heading to the local Public Security Bureau to make it official. Understanding timelines. Work permit approval. This process can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the when and tax your location. Visa processing typically takes about 1 week, but for those in a hurry, expedited service might be available. Residence permit. Allow a couple of weeks for processing, and your crew will be officially welcomed ashore. With the GET in hand, you are not just following a checklist. You are navigating the complexities of Chinese regulations with confidence. Every document, every step brings you closer to a smooth and successful journey for your expatriate employees.